Let Garmin Support show you how to make a waypoint using the ActiveCaptain app. You will need to have the ActiveCaptain app installed on your compatible mobile device. For help installing the app, follow the link below. For this video, we will be using an Apple iPhone and the ActiveCaptain app, but the process is similar on compatible Android smartphones and tablets. First, we need to mark the waypoint. Select Chart. Navigate to the desired location and tap to place your waypoint. Next, tap on the waypoint icon to create your waypoint. Now let's change the name and symbol of the waypoint. Tap the waypoint symbol in the circle around the waypoint to edit your waypoint. Change the name, then hit Return. Your waypoint name has now been changed. Tap on the symbol in edit mode to change the symbol for your waypoint. Then select Done in the upper right corner. Select More to move a waypoint. Then select Move on Chart. Press and hold the gray circle to move to the desired location. The circle will turn aqua blue when it is ready to move. Select Done in the top right corner when you have finished moving your waypoint. To delete a waypoint, select More from your edit screen. Then select Delete. Select Delete to confirm you want to delete this waypoint. Your waypoint has now been deleted. To edit a created waypoint, tap on the waypoint. Then tap on the waypoint identified again in the upper circle. And that's it. Thanks for watching.